Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney and estate planning attorney. Today's topic, how do I frame it? It's the interplay between three siblings inheriting a property and trying to sell a house. Oh boy. I represent one of three siblings that inherited a property, and what they did was I was not involved in the probate. After the probate, the property that was inherited from a parent went to the three siblings equally. Now, A, B, and C are on the property together. It's a property in New York City that has rental income, and for the past 2 years, one of the siblings has been managing the property, collecting rent, paying bills, hopefully keeping a ledger. I represent a sibling that is not quite sure what's going on with the money, the rental income, and the distributions. My client has some awareness of repairs that were necessary and has a partial list of, what the rents had been or should be, right? So the reason I became involved is because, the person that's now my client, was not provided this information and really needs an accounting. So it's not a surrogate's court proceeding any longer, and that's because the property was distributed to the three of them and they've been placed on title. It's now an entirely different process. What's going to bring this to a head is that the house is up for the commercial property is up for sale. And, once we have a buyer, I'm going to represent the 1/3 owner in the contract negotiations, in the discussion, and then ultimately determining what rents, all of the information related to, like, the ledger. What was the rent collected, the expenses made, and what distribution should be made. This is me seeking an accounting on behalf of the client. So if you need that type of assistance, please reach out to me. frankbrunolaw.com.